now I'm going to be working on both sides at once here. I get that stem bent a bit there. I love these with the darker tips on them. Okay, so now this one is going to be this side. So I want to have a lot more of that red coming through. I want this stuff just kind of be background. At least that's how I see it in my head. The hardest part really is getting the glue to come out when you want it to. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, I like how this is mixing them together a little bit. Because I don't want that one in more. Yeah. I'll have to really let this all dry. But that's pretty much how we're going to be doing this. Just keep adding, keep putting it together. There we go, right there. All right, then once this gets all placed in and dried, then I'll show you how we'll finish this edge. Gotta fill in the other side, fill in any gaps that you might see. You can make some cool tail shapes here, just adding in feathers like that. I don't like to do it the whole way though. It's too much. Ooh, this one's pretty. All right, I'm going to leave those there because we are going to have an edge to this. But that's looking pretty good. They're nice and filled in. I kind of cut around here, lengthen it a bit over here too. Now I need to let them dry. Make it a nice gluey mess. Oh man, I gotta keep this glue down. I like these that just give it a little bit more of an animal, wild kind of look. Okay, let's get more of these going down. Whoop. Pretty much just find a spot. Luckily this Fabri-Tac glue is so great that I can just kind of be a little bit sloppy like this, and it still is going to work out really nice. Okay, that one I want in the background. Okay. That one didn't get enough glue on it. I like to get the other side going as well. Oh my goodness, this is going to be a mess. I mean, do wings however you feel like it. If you want to just line them all up, line up all the feathers, go from there, that certainly works too. I'm just kind of doing it very randomly. Alright, so I put a little bit of Vaseline on her back, and then I put a little bit of epoxy sculpt, black epoxy sculpt on each one. It kind of made this little platform so it's not going to wiggle when it's on there. They'll stay up where they need to, and while it's drying I'm just having these little clips hold the wings in place so they can dry like that. Anyway, that's how you put the wings together. After that you can just use some paint, maybe some micro beads and other elements to help design them, but that's how you put the wings together. Thanks for watching. Alright, well I have to admit this lady's looking pretty epic already with these feathers and these wings. They're nice and sturdy, and now I'm just going to see what I think about putting some color on it, but I'm going to do it with some tester ones first, just some feathers to see whether we think that's a good idea or not. So let's give it a go. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I have a few of these Pinata inks, including a new gold kind that I found. Yep, that's right, gold Pinata ink. Wow, I was amazed too. And let's see, I've even got black, some brown. So I'm just going to kind of do that. And then also some of just the alcohol itself. Wow, that gold is moving around doing stuff. And so I also just have a feather just so I can see what will the effect be. Ooh. Yeah, we're liking the gold. That looks cool. Look at that. Let's see what the brown is like. Definitely has a place. So we like the gold and the brown. Wonder what it's going to be like when it's dried, though. Ooh, like both of them together. That's kind of pretty. All right, and then what else did we have here? Sangria. This might be too pink. I'm not sure. Maybe it's just a wine color. And then we also have some black. Okay. All right, so again, just kind of playing with it. There's my alcohol. Let's see, here's the sangria. Okay, so that's definitely more like a wine color. Taking into the red zone rather than the brown. And then black. How black is this? Ooh, it's very black. All right, I think I'm ready to commit. What do you think? Hope that you can see that pretty well because it turned out super cool. Okay. Okay. What I'm going to do now, that gold is like starting to set up or something. All right, I'm going to come back and just start painting in on here. Some gold and that red. That red is really similar to the reddish that's coming out in these feathers too. Anyway, I'm just going to keep on just like painting these, just treating it as a highlight, low light type of situation here. But that's what I'll be doing next now. And then I'll show you what she looks like when she's done. I wanted to show you this part for sure though, with just the gold. It's really cool to just kind of do this. Just kind of let it catch it. Those dry places. Just a little bit at a time like that. If we can get a good before and after shot. Here's the second wing I have not done yet. And here's the first wing that I just finished up. It looks super awesome. I really like it. On the back, that's where we're going. We'll get that done too. I put a little bit of gold along these black wing entry points too. So that is our beautiful lady. Hope you've enjoyed these videos. They've been really fun to make.